The last one I want to talk about is quick execute, which quick execute is like the antithesis of release lock, meaning that while release lock aims to give you more flexibility with being able to get your operations done in a more stepped fashion, quick execute aims to be the quickest way to execute your operation. So we see that with these shapes, it's not even allowing us an option for depth. It's just cutting through the shape, entirely through the shape. Just every cut is just a kill shot. There's no need for me to double click. It's just a single click and drag and release, and we're cutting all the way through the shape. Sometimes you'll find yourself in a workflow where you'll need to cut more rapidly than usual, and that's the reason that some of these workflows exist inside of Boxcutter. Most of the time you'll be able to get away with the vanilla style of working. However, these options definitely exist for the power users to help them get the most out of their experience and maybe work at the speed that they're thinking or concepting or wanting to get these things done. But just like that, we're able to just draw cuts and they laser cut all the way through without us having to do any additional clicks. And that's the power of quick execute. So keep in mind that this one is probably the most dangerous of the settings, that if you have it on, it's definitely going to give you a more jarring experience, especially if you're not aware of it. So we do have this one pushed back a little bit, but release lock is fun for everyone. So you just get in, draw a shape, it just pauses it for you. You can then get in and perform your extrusion. It will automatically pause that for you. You can sit here, look at your shape, think about what you're performing, and then click and apply.